If you want to supercharge your TrueSpec heat press, you have to get the FastFit Platens. In this video, I'm going to show you all of the 5 additional FastFit Platens that are available at Heat Press Nation, and I'm going to tell you what I like to use them for so you can get an idea of what maybe you'll want to use them for. But before we go on, do me a favor, like this video, and if you want to see more Heat Press content in your feed, be sure to subscribe to the Heat Press Nation channel. Each and every TrueSpec heat press is equipped with a FastFit mount. Your press is going to come with a 16 by 20 inch lower platen as a standard, but with that FastFit mount, you're able to swap out that lower platen for up to 5 additional FastFit Platens. So let me walk you through each of them one by one. First up is this 4x4 FastFit Platen. I absolutely love it for pressing the inside neck labels of my t-shirts. It's also really good for doing the bicep hit or the short sleeve hit on a short sleeve tee and baby clothes, especially really tiny, cute little infant baby clothes. This is great. Not only that, there's lots of other stuff that you could fit on here, like small bags, makeup bags, stuff like that. This is great to have. Next up is the 6x10 inch FastFit Platen. This platen is really great for, I love it for small hoodies like child youth hoodies. Because with the hoodie, you don't want to press the hood, you don't want to press the lower pocket. You kind of just have this midsection on the chest to press. And this is great for those smaller hoodies. Other things that I love this for, again, tote bags, also backpacks, like pressing just that like front tongue flap or whatever you call it on the backpack. This works great. There you go, right here. This is gonna be the 8x10 inch FastFit Platen. Now this one's really cool. Again, you're gonna hear me reference hoodies. Look, when you're pressing a full size range of hoodies, you're gonna appreciate having different size platens for those perfect chest hits. But besides that, I really do like this for kids' clothes because you orient it on a vertical right there, and now it's a lot easier to center your smaller clothes. So stuff like youth, I use this one for, and it's just great. It's great to have a general purpose kind of small size platen. People ask all the time, do I get the 6x10 or the 8x10? Get both. Trust me, it's great to have them. If I had to pick, I'd probably get the 8x10 though, if you're only gonna buy one. Here we go. This is gonna be the 6x20 inch sleeve platen. This works great, as the name implies, for pressing long sleeves. It's also great for pressing pant legs. Now it's 6 inches wide, but because it has the long, like protruding section right here, arm, you could thread certain items onto it. So there's lots of odd size stuff that you just want to like thread on here. This is great for that. So funny enough, I find myself not really pressing sleeves half the time. I'm using it for other projects where I just need kind of easy access. So the sleeve platen, absolutely great, even if you're not pressing long sleeves all the time. There we go. Trying to get that in frame here. Last but not least, this is gonna be the 11x15 inch FastFit lower platen. Now this one does have a cover on it. We have covers available for all 5 of our FastFit Platens. They slide on and off super easy. As you can see, again, has the cover. Now you might be asking, why would you even want a cover? First of all, your shirts and other products slide on and off like butter. It's so smooth. The other thing, it just keeps it nice and clean. A lot of people who consider their heat presses an investment, which they are, like to keep their heating elements clean, free from any adhesives, residues, inks, and things like that. So having a cover on it is really gonna preserve it, keep it nice, looking brand new for years and years to come. But back to the 11x15 inch size. I love this for pressing smaller garments. If I'm pressing smaller, like ladies tees, youth size tees, or just I'm on the extra small side of things, even on adult sizes, it's great to have this right here. It's just easier on a smaller garment to line it up on a smaller platen. Again, I'm going back to the hoodies thing. I press hoodies of all sizes, all the way from 3 and 4X down to a child's hoodie. So I'm always looking for that perfect imprint area for the chest. And because hoodies are good business and they're good money, that's why I keep bringing it up. It's great for that. So many different applications. And truth be told, sometimes you don't need the full 16x20 inch heating area. It's just easier to maneuver your garments or your blanks on a smaller 11x15 inch area. So here we go. This is number 5 of the FastFit Platens. All of our TrueSpec heat presses are going to come with a 16x20 inch lower platen standard. So the 5 FastFit Platens I just showed, these are sold separately, or you could purchase them in a bundle with your heat press, but these are in addition. They're meant to help, to supplement, to complement, and they work with all TrueSpec machines. So whether you're using the single hybrid, any of the double stations, or the pneumatics, they are compatible with all TrueSpec machines, which is cool on a double station because on one side you could press the neck label, other side press the chest or the back of a t-shirt. You could mix and match, you could do whatever you want. All FastFit Platens are compatible with all TrueSpec heat presses. If you have any questions about the FastFit Platens, do me a favor, give our team a call, 800-215-0894. Our team of My Expert professionals are very helpful and very friendly, so give us a call if you have any questions, or you could purchase your very own TrueSpec heat press and FastFit Platens at heatpressnation.com. That's going to do it for me. My name is Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching. Adios.